Hey guys, this is Cliff with CR3P Motor Detailing. Just making a quick video today to share with you guys an industry secret. An industry secret on how to make a gallon of detail spray for under $4 a gallon. And yeah, I know, it sounds insane, and most manufacturers and professionals would hate for you to know. But tune in today, and I'll show you how it's done. Alright guys, so this is what you're going to need in order to make your detailing spray for under $4 a gallon. The first thing you're going to need is no rinse. And you're going to need to purchase the 1 gallon version of this. The second thing you're going to need is distilled water. The third thing you're going to need is just an empty jug. And how it works is we're going to put 8 ounces of the no rinse for every gallon, and then we're going to put the 1 gallon of distilled water in here and then mix it together, and basically we have 1 gallon of detail spray. And really, I mean, it's super simple. So you're gonna get your distilled water, open it up, get your empty gallon. I use a funnel just to make it easier. And then you're gonna open up your no rinse, and you're gonna pour 8 ounces into your measuring cup. So I'll see if I can make this a little bit easier for you guys. So you're going to see there's 8 ounces right there. So what we're going to do is we're going to pour until the blue hits the red line. Perfect. So this is 8 ounces of no rinse. And all you're going to do is pour that into your empty jug. And then you're going to take your distilled water and pour that with the no rinse. And just take your time, just so it doesn't over foam. Alright, we are almost done. Alright. So now, we'll just wipe this up real quick. Waste of paper towel, but it's okay. Alright, we'll just top this off right here. Boom. Awesome. And then all you're going to do is just screw this back on. And then just shake it up a little bit, just to mix it up real well. And literally, you just made a gallon of detail spray in under a few minutes for under $4. Now, this is how the math works, since I know everyone's curious on how this actually becomes $4 a gallon. Or just a little bit under that. So for an example, this online typically runs $40, right? This has 128 ounces, so if it does 16 gallons of detail spray, since 128 divided by 8 is 16, and this is $1 a gallon, right? So that's $16 plus the 40, and then I added $4 just for 1 gallon jug, but you may already have this laying around the house. But I just, for this scenario, kept the $4 in there. If you divide it out, it actually comes out to be $3.75 a gallon. So if you use a gallon of detail spray, you know, once every 2 months, 3 months, or for us pros, it could be in a week, this is going to save you a lot of money in the long run. And no rinse too, by the way, isn't just something you can use to make detailing spray. No rinse originally was developed to basically have a no rinse solution when detailing your car, primarily in like northern states during the winter or for folks who live in apartments. So this is going to be multi-use. This isn't just for detail spray, but as an example, this is something that I think a lot of people don't realize, where if they purchase this, they get a jug, and every time they need to make a gallon, they get distilled water. This is going to save them a lot of money. Because I don't know if you guys have realized, but if you go in the store or go online and you buy a retail product between, I would say, maybe 18 to 24 ounces, you're looking between $8 to $16, depending on the product and if they try to sell you in any additional features that this detail spray can do. And then if you buy a gallon online, like of McGuire's or any other manufacturer, you're looking to spend between $20 to $30 a gallon. But if you invest just a little bit up front, you're gonna make basically a gallon at under $4. I mean, really, it's gonna save you guys a lot of money. Alright guys, so today I shared with you an industry secret on how to make detailing spray for under $4 a gallon. And not only is it a great alternative cost-wise, but overall it's one of the best detailing sprays that I've ever used. So if you guys have additional questions in regard to this or anything detailing, please leave a comment below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Until next time, take care.